The Simpsons family consists of fictional characters featured in the animated television series The Simpsons. Have you seen this family? They're cute and funny. They can even help us in learning English. How? Let's start.
$4 plus tax. Well, I think she's gonna like my handmade birthday card better.
Buck. It refers to dollars. For example, $4 or $4.
Plus tax. Plus tax.
The amount of money that you have to pay to the government based on your income or the cost of something you bought.
Whoops. 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 Whoops.
Is typically used to express mild apology or surprise.
Big deal. Big deal.
Big deal. It means something is important or difficult, as he said.
Big deal.
You can use it in negative form when something is not important. It's not a big deal. These are some expressions that I've chosen, but you can learn more vocabulary just by watching the whole episode on زبانشناس app. Just download the app, go to Zoom, in the funny cartoons category, click on Simpsons. This one is from the first season, Life on the Fast Lane. And don't worry about difficult words, just look up the meaning in the dictionary when you see one. Just like that. So what is your opinion about Simpsons?